Hello and welcome to WTF OMG What's Up America with Afton Boggiano. Today we will discuss in detail our second theory on how the coronavirus happened. But people are stepping up and doing great things. In Italy, the United residents come together one by one on their adorable French door-style balconies where they line dry their clean white sheets. They sing Italian national anthems and enjoy moments of applause directed towards the doctors and the nurses who continue to put their own lives at risk, working long, hard hours to fight the virus every day. In America, doctors and scientists are researching a malaria treatment that's been showing really positive results to maybe treat the virus or even prevent people from catching the virus in the first place. And in New York, the mayor asked on Tuesday for any medical professionals retired or stopped working for any reason in the field. And by Thursday, 1,500 people stepped up to help fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Theory number 2, Wuhan lab on purpose. There is a biosafety level 4 lab in the center of Wuhan, China, that contains rare and deadly viruses like the Ebola virus and others. Contrary to previous agreements, in the 90s, China developed a wide range of biochemical warfare, along with several means to spread these viruses. With COVID-19 now, it took weeks for Chinese officials to disclose any details to the public. Researchers are now finding the initial accounts in China from mid-November or earlier. In late December, genomic companies tested the sick patients in Wuhan and found similarities to SARS and reported it to the government. Waiting for a response, 9 doctors posted information about the virus and were taken in for questioning, threatened to stop. Some of these doctors have since gotten the virus and died. On January 3rd, the Chinese National Health Commission ordered these reports to be destroyed. Wait, what? January 8th, the U.S. Center for Disease Control came to the scene and were lied to when they weren't told that it was spreading from patients to doctors. A week later, the WHO also reported this to be true, tweeting it to the world without doing any research on the virus. There was also a CCP health meeting where the Wuhan Health Commission reported no new cases of the virus, which we now know is a big lie. January 18th is a big annual Wuhan Lunar New Year party with tens of thousands of people all gathered together in the heart of the outbreak. And since it was not reported to be a spreadable virus, the festivities continued. Any excuse for a party, right? Besides the cover-up in the medical industry, there was also a big cover-up in the media. In early January, some American reporters visited a hospital in Hong Kong. They were put in jail and forced to return any evidence they found and even their phones. 2 separate Chinese civilian journalists went missing in Wuhan, China. Chen Qiushi was already known for filming the Hong Kong riots in August. He went missing after vlogging through sometimes classified information in the hospitals of Wuhan. Fang Bin was a businessman from there with the suspicion that this was history in the making. He started filming. Then, on February 1st, he posted a video of a minibus outside of a hospital containing a pile of bodies. He was then arrested, but released. His next and last video was a hard cry for help. Simply put, all people revolt, and hand the power of the government back to the people. The next day, he disappeared. But at least the virus seems to have plateaued in China and cases are decreasing every day. Us here in America are thinking longer term about this. Who knows how long? California also has a mandatory stay-at-home order from the governor. This is true for many countries. Italy, France, Israel also enforcing residents by law to stay at home. China did it too, and have seen numbers in new cases drop dramatically with talks to lift these measures. And now, how did they get so many Chinese people back to normal health? How can a country with a population of 1.4 billion have less deaths than Italy? We can fit 20 Italys inside of China. Maybe China already has its treatment, but they are keeping it hidden from the rest of the world. Thank you for joining us here at WTF OMG. What's up, America? I'm your host, Afton Bocciano, wishing you safety in body, mind, and spirit.